Hi, everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and the pricing on these ones for my Destash might vary. I'm not sure, but this one right here is number 21, and it is $38. So this one is Tailored Expressions, and this one's a little special because 3 of these are like, well, this one was a free gift. You spent $100, you got this. So it probably will be available sometime in their shop. Who knows when? But you had to buy $100 to get this free. Then the Petal Pop, which is another free with 100, and this one was a newer one. I just have 2 of them. This one was also a free with $100 gift for one of the months, and I also have 2 of them. So that's why I'm putting them in this lot right here. This right here was the Stamp Joy Virtual 2024 special stamp set that they put together. So basically they take pieces of different stamp sets and they make a stamp set. I just happen to have quite a few of these, if not all of them. So they are up for grabs. So that one was one you can only get from being in that virtual thing. And then I believe this is going to be released soon. It's the 3D embossing folder Baroque bouquet, which I think they're like, I want to say it's like $18. I don't know, it's expensive, whatever it is. So it's a brand new product. I only use it for the class. And then I also have the mask for it. So the Baroque bouquet mask. And then I have a bunch of the free, every time you make a purchase, you get one of these little postage stamps. And so I have a variety of ones here. I say that I have one for every month so far, or really close, and that's included in this. So this is $38. It's all brand new, like some of it's not even released yet. Product from Tailored Expressions, and then all of these free gift ones are in here as well. And that's number 21. So 22 is also going to be $38. And $38. I figure I can, let's see what happens. There's a lot of stuff in these bags. So in this bag, you get the Pink and Main bookworm, what's left of its paper pad. You get this brand new Day in the Life. You get the Creative Time die, brand new, never used. And then you get these stamp sets, which have never really been used. Plus, most of them come with a die. So there's this one right here, which is bunny costume and the die. This one right here, which is Need Coffee and the die. This one's called Holly and the die. This is Don't Worry and the die. This one is Lil Love Bug and the die. This is Sending Cheer, and I've never used it. This is the die that goes with this bookworm stamp set, which was a thing of the month. I know they're selling this together. I want to say it's like $30 maybe by it's together. Maybe it's more. That's wrong. Maybe it's 25. I don't know. Whatever it is, this is a bargain. And then here's the stencil. We have the Wizard and Company paper. I have this die. And then I have these Frosty Friends plus the die. And that one is number 22, and it's $38. All right, this is number 23, and it is $38. We have Altenew plus some dies. This is Amy Tangerine for Altenew. Then we have the lovely Camellia's stamp set. We have the stencil. We have the 3D folder. We also have, the dies. We have the dies. So we have the complete set. And then we have Amy Tangerine for Altenew. We have this stamp set plus the dies. We have Amy Tangerine for Altenew Through the Rainbow stencil. We have Amy Tangerine Shine Bright, never used. And Amy Tangerine for Altenew stencil called Shine On. And that's the stencil. So that one is number 23, and it's $38. All right, so this one is number 24. It's also $38. Comes with a lot of brand new products and dies. So here's the brand new called Boho Rainbow Builder. I just have so many rainbows. And I also have the dies that go with it. So the dies alone, I believe, are $22. And the stamp set is like, I think she sells them for $16 maybe. So just so you know. So the same with this one right here. Like there's the dies. And this is called Beachfront Cafe. And then we've got this one right here, which is called Christmas Calories, plus the dies. And then I have Gingerbread Kisses, which does not have dies. I don't think it came with dies. And then this one is Love for Lattes. And then I have the apple, it's apple season, which I don't even know if I used any of this paper. I mean, like, if I did, it wasn't very much. And I really like the paper. I just have so much. I had to make a decision. So it's that. Plus I have ephemera. I have Gingerbread Visions paper. And I have some ephemera left of that. And then I have this ephemera. And that is number 24. It's $38. All right, this is number 25, and it is $35. Mainly because it doesn't have, I think only have one of the stamp sets have dies. That's the reason why it's a little bit cheaper. So we've got bubble tea, which I hardly use any of bubble tea, like 1 or 2 sheets of bubble tea. So there's that one. And then I have a few sheets of sweet strawberries, which I went ahead and included because I have some stuff that goes with that. So I have all the sheets of it so you can do stuff with it. And then cafe latte, which I just used a few sheets of this. So it's a lot of stuff left. And then I have some strawberry ephemera that goes with that. And then I have the strawberry stamp set. This is called I Pick You, and this one has the dies. And then we have I Heart Coffee, no dies. And then we have this one right here, which is called Winter Wishes. I don't have the dies. This one is called Big Hugs. I don't have the dies. And then here's this one. I never use a couple of these. This one's called Ornamental Christmas. And then here's this one right here, which is called Winter Friends. So this one is number 25, and it's $35. All right, and number 26, which is the last one in this video, is $35. Only because I think only one of them have dies. So we have this stamp set, which is called Best Witches, and I do have the dies for that one. And then I have this stamp set, which is called Just Because. And then this one, which is called Warm Drink Cold Day. I never used this one. This would be great for paper piecing, by the way. We have Delicate Pumpkins, which I have quite a bit of paper. And I also have the ephemera. I have A Day to Remember. I have quite a bit of this paper. And I have a lot of the ephemera. I have this ephemera, which goes with Spring Coffee, which I did use quite a bit of this, but there is still quite a bit of paper left. And so this one is $35, and it is number 26. So if you're interested in anything that you see here, I believe this is video number 5 of my giant Destash. The other ones are all boxes. So there's a ton more stuff in those, or bigger, bulkier things that don't fit in anything else but a flat rate box. If you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like anything you see here, make sure you email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I accept PayPal, friends, and family. And I do like you to pay pretty quick so that I'm not waiting around wondering if you're going to buy it or not, or change your mind. So just let me know. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Create the Hearts.